Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to create an email template in Mailchimp. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create a Mailchimp account. We will also talk about the membership plans and how to create an email template. So watch this video till the end to better understand all these steps. To start using Mailchimp for your email campaigns, you need an account. If you already have a Mailchimp account, click on the login button in the top right corner or else click on the sign up button to create an account. This is the pricing page. As you can see, Mailchimp provides three types of accounts. The first is marketing platform, second is websites and commerce, and the last is transactional email. As we have to create email campaigns, we need to go for the marketing platform category. Now from this drop-down, you need to select the number of contacts you have. The default is set at 500 and it is the minimum. You can select your number of contacts and then the membership pricing will be updated. Here all the membership pricing are shown for 500 contacts. And from here you can also change your currency. Now let's look at the membership plans. Mailchimp has 4 types of membership plans for the marketing platform category. The first one is the premium plan, in which you will get the most advanced tools, unlimited contacts, and priority support. This plan is built for teams and it starts at $280.11 per month. The second one is the standard plan, in which you can sell even more with personalization. You get optimization tools and enhanced automations. This plan starts at $14.01 per month and it is recommended by Mailchimp themselves. The third one is the Essentials plan, in which you can send the right content at the right time with testing and scheduling features. This plan starts at $9.38 per month. And the fourth and the last plan is the free plan, in which you can easily create email campaigns and learn more about your customers. As the name suggests, this plan is obviously free. All the plans have different benefits and features, and with the first 3 plans, overages will apply if contact or email send limit is exceeded. But with the free plan, sending will be paused if contact or email send limit is exceeded. Choose your plan according to your requirements by clicking on the Buy Now button. Here we are going ahead with the free plan, so click here on the Sign Up Free button. This is the sign up page. If you already have an account, use this login button or else enter your email ID here. Here create a username. You can also use your email ID as a username. And then here create a password, and once you're done with filling all the required fields, click on the sign up button. After email verification, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Now let's start creating an email template. Click on the Create button at the top of the left sidebar. Under the Email tab in the left sidebar, you will have 3 options. The first is regular. Here you have to design your email by using the email builder feature. Next is plain text. In this email, you can continue with only plain text without the use of advanced text editor or any image. This type of email is suitable when the internet connection is very slow. And lastly is the template. Here you have predefined templates. You just have to replace the text or images. We are going ahead with the template option, so click on it and then click on the Get Started button. Now on this page, you need to select the layout for your template. The featured section has the layouts like sell products, make an announcement, tell a story, follow up, and educate. Below is the basics section. It has many layouts with different types of columns along with the simple text layout. You can proceed with any of these layouts depending on your requirements. The editing process will be the same in all these layouts. Here we are continuing with the Sell Products layout. This is the template editing page. Scroll down to see all the sections of this layout. And if you hover the cursor on any section, the editing option will be highlighted. You can delete any section of this template by using the delete icon, and you can also add these different elements from the right sidebar. To do a better demonstration of creating templates, we will use pseudo logo, images or description. We are going to create this email template for promoting a restaurant. Let's first add our logo. Click on the logo section and in the right sidebar, click on the replace text. Here on this page, you need to add files to use in your template. To add a file, use the upload button at the top right corner. Select the logo and it will start uploading. And once it is uploaded, it will be added to the template automatically. Now use this slider to adjust the size of the logo, and once the logo fits on the page, then just click on the Save and Close button. Now click on this text section. This will be the heading of our email. Edit the text in the right sidebar. As this template is about a restaurant, we can write something like more than just pizza. And once you have written the headline, click on the Save and Close button. Now we need to add an image here. Click on it, and from the right sidebar, click on the Replace Text and upload the image. After uploading, it will be added to the template. As you can see, the uploaded image resolution is bigger than required, so we need to crop it. For this, click on the Let's Fix It text. In the pop-up window, you can resize or crop it. Drag it from the corners to resize it manually, or else here enter the required pixel and then click on the Save button on the top right corner. Now you can see that the image fits in the template, so click on the Save and Close button. Now in this text section, we can write something about our restaurant or we can add a description. Click on it and in the right side, we are writing something about pizza, and finally we're going to click on the Save and Close button. Now in this section, we can add a link to our restaurant. Click on it and in the right sidebar, from here we are going to change the text to Order Your Pizza, and in this section we will enter the URL of our restaurant, and finally we're clicking on the Save and Close button. You can repeat the same steps of adding an image and texts in these sections, or else you can delete these sections. Once you're done with customizing the template, click on the Save and Exit button at the bottom right corner. And then in the pop-up window, enter a name for this template and then click on the Save button. Your email template will be saved and you can see it here under the Saved tab. With this, we have completed our tutorial on how to create an email template in Mailchimp. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.